The overall goal of this experimental protocol is to investigate the neural correlates of the detrimental impact of emotion on cognition with a focus on working memory processes. This is achieved by recording brain activity using fMRI while participants perform a working memory task with emotional distraction, presented during the delay interval between the memoranda and probes. Following the creation of the basic working memory task, distractors are selected according to the goals of the investigation and targeted populations. For instance, if no specific emotions are targeted, emotional stimuli inducing general emotional responses, positive or negative, can be employed. Whereas if the effects of specific emotions, such as fear, are targeted, fear-inducing distractors may be used, either in healthy or in clinical participants. Next, behavioral and brain imaging data collected while participants perform the working memory task with distraction are analyzed in order to identify differential effects of emotional distraction on working memory performance and the associated neural correlates. Results are obtained that show patterns of brain activity linked to a detrimental effect of emotional distraction on working memory performance, as well as brain activity associated with the ability to cope with emotional distraction. Typical targeted brain regions include areas that are associated with the ability to stay focused, which are part of a so-called dorsal executive neural system, here illustrated in blue, and regions that are involved in emotion processing, which are part of a ventral affective system, illustrated in red.
The implications of this technique extend toward understanding and possibly diagnosing anxiety disorders, such as post-traumatic stress disorder.